Basically, APC Newtons is the multinational company, and we are part of APC Pharmaceutical and Chemicals, Hong Kong. And here in India, we operate from Hyderabad, and our warehouse is situated in GD Metla, and we have a tie-up with various companies all over the globe. One of the companies is Danisco DuPont, and where we do our enzymes, betaine and phytase. And the next company is that we are working with Nutristar France, and where we import vitamin premix and feed additives like calcium supplement and liver product. And one more company what we deal with is Denuco. Denuco is a company which is based in Belgium, and we do acidifiers. And another company we import is from Zagro, Singapore, and there we do disinfectant called ultraoxide. And besides that, we have our own and one more company what we do is that we have got an emulsifier, and which is called Olamal, and that is from Lokamal, Belgium. And besides that, we have our own in-house production on trace minerals and toxin binders called APCTM and Alutox. And this we produce it in Hyderabad, and we market it to the customers. At present, the industry is not looking very good because of certain problems of bird flu incidences, and also the price of raw materials have gone up very extremely high. And hopefully that in a coming month or 30-40 days time, I think it will turn out to be very good, and we are in the business of more prosperity and more volumes. Basically, we don't have any R&D facilities here in India, but we are dealing with the international companies who have got a very big exposure of R&D and all these things. And we come out with a product of globally reputed, and by getting the products to the Indian customers, and we are serving the Indian industry, and we are getting the product of global quality to the Indian industry. At present, the movement is that I say that the poultry farmers are not doing well. And unless the poultry farmers do well, we are not in the business of business. And hopefully that it will turn out to be good, and we will do a good business in the coming months. At present, what are the products we have? All very good products, and which are very good in improving the health of the bird and production of the bird, and thereby increasing the profitability of the customers. And we have a wide range of products which is very useful for the feed industry, and which is useful for the integrators. So we are educating the farmers, and we are doing the routine seminars internationally. Different companies sponsor us, customers to the various countries, and they visit and they introduce the product in the group meetings. This poultry exhibition is extremely good, and now you see that standard of stalls and standard of booth, everything is fantastic, and the quality of Poultry India is extremely good, and it is improving year after year. And it's very unfortunate that this season at this time the poultry industry is not doing well. Otherwise, this exhibition is almost a successful one. Probably we might have had more customers when industry is looking good. Certainly, and it is not only a platform for bringing the business, it is also for the highlighting our company and highlighting our standards and how we are in the industry. Feedback is nothing. I think it has to continue on, and the participation will be there from us from every year. The first day response was not very thin, and second day today it was very good, and hopefully yes, tomorrow is also there, and we may get more customers.